This is how to change the iMessage background from something totally stock and standard to something unique and customized. Some of these are even animated, which is pretty cool. To do this, all you do is you go into any chat or any iMessage thread, tap on your iMessage partner's name. I'm on the Backgrounds tab. If you're not there, you want to go to that tab, and we can choose a bunch of different options. None is the default. We've all seen that one. We know and love that one. Photos is a new one where you can add your own photos in the background. For some reason, this photo is featured in my photo library. If you tap on it and swipe, there's various different styles that you can do. For the duotone, you can change the color as well. Some pretty cool effects you can apply. And you can also tap on all to get all photos, not just your featured photos. Oh look, we can add Homer in the background, add some effects to him as well. That's pretty neat. Any photo you can download from the internet, you can have as the background of the chat or the message thread. Some of them are animated, as you can see, but they seem to stop at some point, I've noticed. Not all of them are looped. There's sky. The clouds are moving. It's pretty cool. Water. I assume the water is moving. And it is. Oh, that dark one. This makes you fall asleep. That one right there. And there's the aurora, which is the one you saw at the beginning of this video. There's some suggestions down below, which are the same as the ones up above. And you can't add a video as far as I can tell. Because if I go to all over here, it just shows my photos. No videos. So it's got to be a photo. At least at the moment, it's got to be a photo. And that's how you can change the background of your chat. Keep in mind that the other person's end will also have this updated background. So I don't know how that works. If they change the background too and you change the background, do you battle for background turf or something? I don't know how that works. But I do know that they will see what you put here. So if you have a background image that is somehow making fun of the other person because you think they won't see it, they'll see it. And they might not like it. So pick an appropriate image and you can customize every single iMessage chat thread if you want to, and customize them all differently. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it sounds crazy, but you got to do it. So check out that video. I'll see you there.